The demand for mechanical keyboards has surged among gamers and typists who appreciate precision, durability, and tactile feedback. Similarly, many women now seek reliable ovulation tracker kits to optimize fertility and pregnancy planning. This guide evaluates popular. List number 1. Clearblue Advanced is a leader in digital ovulation testing, offering high accuracy with an easy-to-read digital display. The kit includes 32 tests, enough to cover multiple cycles, providing 2 high fertility day indicators and up to 2 peak fertility days. Its smart dual hormone detection monitors both LH and estrogen levels, giving a clearer fertility window than standard LH-only tests. The ergonomic design and digital readout eliminate guesswork from interpreting lines. This kit is ideal for users wanting a straightforward, precise, and hygienic ovulation tracking method. Though pricier than strip tests, its reliability and ease of use justify the investment. List number 2. Easy at Home offers a value-packed combo kit perfect for those looking to track ovulation and confirm pregnancy. It contains 50 ovulation test strips and 20 pregnancy test strips, providing an ample supply for several cycles. The ovulation strips detect the LH surge with over 99% accuracy. These strips are simple to use. Dip into urine, wait, and read the test lines. While requiring manual interpretation, the kit is budget-friendly and highly popular for home use. Its compact packaging and large quantity make it great for users wanting extended monitoring with reliable results. List number. This Easy at Home Ovulation Predictor Kit is designed for accuracy and ease, detecting LH surges to identify peak fertility days. The kit comes with 20 ovulation test strips, sufficient for 1 to 2 cycles, allowing consistent monitoring. Its high sensitivity enables early detection of LH spikes. The kit is straightforward. Urine samples are tested via dip strips with results interpreted by visible test lines. Users appreciate its affordability and reliability compared to pricier digital models. It's ideal for women seeking an effective, no-frills ovulation tracking solution that balances cost and accuracy. List number 4. The Easy Home 40 Ovulation and Pregnancy Test Strips Kit provides a large quantity of ovulation test strips to help women accurately detect fertile windows. This kit focuses on reliable LH surge detection, facilitating timely conception attempts. The strips are easy to use, with quick results shown by colored lines. With 40 strips included, users can test multiple times per cycle for better precision. The kit is highly affordable and has garnered positive reviews for accuracy and ease of interpretation. It's suitable for those who prefer manual test strips over digital readouts and want an extended supply. List number 5. This 25-pack of Easy Home Ovulation Test Strips offers a balanced option for women wanting reliable fertility monitoring without bulk. The test strips detect LH surges, enabling users to pinpoint fertile days. Their high sensitivity and specificity ensure accurate detection. The pack size is perfect for those tracking ovulation over 1 or 2 cycles. Instructions are clear and results show within minutes via line intensity comparison. The minimalist packaging and affordability make it a convenient choice for women new to ovulation tracking or those preferring simpler manual tests over digital devices.